All right, today we're going to bring a training collar, and this is a radius training collar, meaning that a certain distance this thing will go on. So they have an invisible fence line, if you guys can see, very powerful, waterproof, because the waterproof, it has a magnetic charger with it. All right, now they give you different contact points, which are larger breeds and the smaller breeds, but this is made for larger breeds, so you're going to bring the larger prongs. All right, now they do give instructions, also a link to actually start training, and of course these are necessary to train your dog. These are visual points. It will actually indicate that it turns on, and it gives them a warning, vibrate mode if you want, warning, or the actual shock. So I'm going to put it together and test it out. A dog that has long hair, and pretty much you need the longer versions of this, right? We're also going to test it out. So let's go ahead and turn it on first. Power on. We got battery mode, GPS coordinate, and from here to the point that we want to set up, we can set up. So I'm going to say it's set up. 50 feet away from the actual place, the origins of the system. All right. You could go 50 or you could go less. You got the shock option. All right, so we're gonna keep it at the shock option. GPS signal is pretty poor right now, but if you take it outdoors, it's gonna be stronger. Another thing you could do, you could tone it down, plus and minus of how much of signal you want to send this out. So all right, so Toby is wearing the actual collar here. You guys can see he knows about it. He's been trained already, and if you guys see, there's markings on my property, and every time I used to open the fence, he used to take off. But when I do that now, look at this. I'm gonna open the fence now. He knows not to get out. Look at that. He knows not to get out. And he doesn't come out either. Look at that. He's scared of it. He knows it vibrates and he goes back. So that's pretty much it. Look at how scared he looks out there. He knows not to come here, this line here, property line, and run out. Look at these guys. They can follow me anywhere now, and they won't come out at all. So just to let you guys know how it works. So he knows, because he's also wearing one right now, and he can't come out either. So that guy and this guy don't come out the property line at all. So it's good.